we introduced Kawasaki Robotics' collaborative duAro2, offering a redesigned wrist assembly and flexible installation. The F61 controller can be housed within the duAro2's slim cabinet or on its own, and the arms are detachable, enabling its use in almost any layout. The improved linkage design has increased the vertical stroke to 550 mm and the payload to 3 kg per arm, and by using a simple extension adapter, any number of tools can be used. The single-axis configuration allows for both parallel and cooperative arm motion, much like a human. For optimal performance, the F61 controller features options for conveyor synchronization, integrated 2D vision, and more. For more information, please visit kawasakirobotics.com.